Man, that was so good. That food was so good. Oh my God, it was the best food I ever had in my life. So, you got a killer recipe and a dream of serving food that makes people weep with joy, right? But there's just one small problem. You need money. Yeah, I know, right? Money. And the last time you checked, your couch cushions wasn't hiding 100K, right? But have no fear. Your man, Devon, is here. We're going to teach you how to fund your restaurant or food truck without turning to a life of crime. All right? But before we do that,
allow me to reintroduce myself. My name
is Devon. Put in work, Burke. The wealth builds himself. Back again with another video. And today, we're talking about how to fund your restaurant or food truck without, having to sell a kidney or anything like that. So with that being said, make sure you share, like, and, give away the video as much as you can. You know what I'm saying? Get it out there. All right. Also, check out the links in the description if you want to learn how to get your business funding started. With that being said, let's get into the video. Number 1, savings, the DIY approach. If you've been tucking away money like a squirrel, hoarding acorns, now's the time to crack that nut. Pause. Self-funding gives you full control, but if your savings account looks more like a sad joke, you might need a plan B or C or D or whatever. Right? E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T. With all that, right? Let's go to number 2, friends and family. Got rich relatives? Time to invite them over for dinner and wow them with your culinary skills, your cooking abilities. Just make sure they know this is a loan or investment, not a permanent handout. Also, avoid Thanksgiving horror stories where Aunt Linda reminds everyone how she funded your little burrito stand. You know what I mean? So you want to pay them back. Number 3, bank loans, the necessary evil. Banks love lending money, just not to people who actually need it. You know what I'm saying? If you got good credit and a solid business plan and the patience of a saint, you might secure a traditional loan. Just be ready to explain why your food truck selling artisanal grilled cheese is a can't miss investment. And number 4, small business grants. Free money, right? Kind of, sort of, maybe like just a little bit. See, there's a magical place where free money exists. It's called grants. Governments, nonprofits, and corporate programs sometimes throw cash at small businesses, especially if you're a minority entrepreneur like myself, or a women-owned business like my wife's, or doing something innovative, right? Like most black people do. But hey, that's another video. Now, warning, the application process is more painful than a brain freeze, but there's a link in the description that can help you out where you don't have to struggle with your application. All right? So check out that link. Number 5, crowdfunding. Convince strangers to fund your dream, basically. See, platforms like Kickstarter and GoFundMe let you pitch your vision to the masses. Just make sure your campaign video isn't just mumbling in your kitchen, right? People love a compelling story, cool perks, and the illusion that they're getting in on the ground floor of the next big thing, right? You want to make it look like you are the next big thing in your videos, basically. Number 6, angel investors. Now, this is the money bags, right? These are wealthy individuals who throw money at startups in exchange for a piece of the pie, right? The key is convince them your idea is the next Shake Shack or whatever, right? Not the next oops, we close in 6 months, right? Be ready with the rock solid pitch and an ability to charm their socks off. If you don't know how to charm anyone, you might want to watch some YouTube videos on charming, or how to be more charming. And number 7, venture capital. right? For the big dreamers. VCs want businesses that scale. If you're planning a single taco truck, they'll probably ghost you, right? They probably don't want to get involved in that. But if your vision includes a taco empire, they might just bite. Just remember, VC money comes with strings, usually in the form of someone telling you how to run your business. And you didn't get into running your own food truck or restaurant to have people telling you how to run your business. So, VC money is a slippery slope. Number 8, partnerships. Team up to level up, right? Find someone who believes in your vision but actually has money. That's definitely a plus. Maybe a local business wants to partner up or a chef wants to invest. Partnerships can be tricky. Think of it like a business marriage. So choose very wisely, okay? Choose very wisely. And number 9, side hustle and sweat equity. Work now, fund later, right? Not the fastest route, but definitely the safest, right? Keep your day job, start small, and reinvest your earnings. Many successful food entrepreneurs began with pop-ups, catering gigs, and farmers markets, right? Before going full scale. And number 10, the good old credit cards. The break glass in case of emergency option. Okay, listen, please swipe at your own risk. High interest rates can eat up your profile faster. High interest rates can eat up your profits faster than your best-selling burger. But if used wisely, like covering short-term expenses, it can be a helpful tool. Okay, so keep that in mind when you're using your credit cards. And to end it all with my final thought, man, just get cooking. Starting a restaurant or food truck isn't for the faint of heart or the wallet, but with a mix of strategy, hustle, grit, grind, and a little bit of charm, you can find the money you need to get your dream on wheels or in a brick or mortar spot. Now go forth and feed the masses, all right? Go ahead and put that work in and so you can eat, you know what I mean? And if you're ready to start your business funding journey, go ahead and click the link below, okay? So, thanks for watching. Thanks for being a wealth builder. Thanks for being down with the team. Because it's the man, it's the myth, the wealth builder himself, Devon Put in Work Burke, signing off for how to fund your restaurant or food truck without selling a kidney. Do more, wealth builders. Make more, save more, build more. Peace.